Feeling stuck trying to offer personalizations your customers want? No flexibility? No sales? No growth? There's a better way. Meet EasyFlow, the easiest Shopify product options app. Create unlimited variants, personalize products, and boost sales. Customize without limits.
Here's how EasyFlow works. Create an option set. Add customizable options, drop-downs, checkboxes, text, file uploads, and more. You can use conditional logic, add price add-ons, and preview instantly. Reusable sets, add-on pricing, and much more. Create, customize, convert. Join hundreds of 5-star merchants creating powerful product customizations, built by a trusted team. Ready to offer limitless customization and boost conversions? Try EasyFlow free today.